Need to share a photo album on your iPhone but not sure how? It can be frustrating trying to figure it out. Whether you're sharing memories with friends or collaborating with family, this guide will show you how to easily share your photo albums. Let's get started. Solution 1. Share an album using iCloud. Open Setting, tap Apple ID, tap iCloud, tap Photos, make sure to turn on the iCloud photos, and scroll down, Enable Shared Album. Quickly after that, just create an album and share it from your photos. Here is how. Open the Photos app on your iPhone, scroll down, tap Album, tap Create, New Album or tap Create. Enter the name of your album. Tap the plus icon to add photos on Photos album that you want to share. Tap Invite under the participant. Tap plus icon to add the person that you want to share your album. Tap Done. After that, your friend will get an invitation from his Photos album. Just tell him or her to accept it. There you go. Now, your album will be shared with the person you want to send it to. With these steps, you can easily share your photo albums, ensuring they have access to the memories you have captured.